Plant FAQs, Sansevieria Jaboa. Sansevieria Jaboa, your guide to this unique snake plant. Hi, Ferbvu here. Today we're diving into the world of the Sansevieria Jaboa, a stunning and resilient member of the snake plant family. This beauty has captured the hearts of plant enthusiasts with its architectural form and easygoing nature. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for your Sansevieria Jaboa. What is a Sansevieria Jaboa? The Sansevieria Jaboa, sometimes called Sansevieria trifasciata Jaboa, is a unique cultivar of the popular snake plant. It boasts wider, more substantial leaves compared to its common cousins. These leaves are a rich, deep green adorned with mesmerizing patterns of wavy, horizontal bands in a lighter shade. The effect is truly artistic, adding a touch of modern elegance to any space. Sansevieria Jaboa versus Aubrytiana. My Sansevieria Jaboa is a trooper. Its upright, cylindrical leaves are a vibrant lime green, and it's sprouted a few new shoots at the base in the year I've had it. Watering it is a breeze. I barely have to think about it, maybe once a month. It sits happily by my south-facing window, tolerating the bright afternoon sun like a champ. On the other hand, my Aubrytiana is a bit of a drama queen. Its leaves are a darker green, with lighter striations that give it a more textured look. It seems to be fussier about light. Too much sun and the tips crisp, not enough, and it loses its vibrancy. Watering is a constant negotiation. Underwater it gets a bit wrinkled, overwater, and it sulks. While both are beautiful in their own way, the Jaboa is definitely the easier plant to keep happy. Sansevieria Jaboa versus whale fin. My Sansevieria Jaboa is a delight, but it can't compete with the sheer presence of my whale fin. Those enormous, flat leaves are like architectural statements in my living room. It puts out new growth much slower than the Jaboa, but each new leaf is an event. Watering is similar, infrequent but thorough. The whale fin, however, seems to be a magnet for dust. Those wide, smooth surfaces become collectors, and I find myself wiping them down more often than the Jaboa's cylindrical ones. So, while the whale fin is undeniably stunning, it requires a bit more attention to keep it looking its best. What are the benefits of having a Sansevieria Jaboa? Beyond its captivating looks, the Sansevieria Jaboa offers several benefits. Air purification. Studies suggest snake plants, including the Jaboa, can help remove common toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from indoor spaces, promoting better air quality. Low maintenance. This plant thrives on neglect. It requires minimal watering and can tolerate a wide range of lighting conditions, making it perfect for busy individuals or those new to the plant world. Durability. Sansevieria Jaboa is known for its hardiness. It can withstand occasional underwatering or low light without complaint. How do I care for my Sansevieria Jaboa? Here's the beauty of this plant. It requires minimal effort to keep it happy. Light. Jaboa prefers bright, indirect light. However, it can adapt to lower light settings, though its growth might slow down. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Overwatering is the enemy of snake plants. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Signs of overwatering include mushy leaves or a foul odor. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for cacti and succulents. This allows excess water to drain freely, preventing root rot. Fertilizer. Feeding your Sansevieria Jaboa is not necessary. A light application of balanced fertilizer once or twice a year during the growing season, spring and summer, is sufficient. How big does a Sansevieria Jaboa get? The mature height of your Sansevieria Jaboa depends on the variety and growing conditions. Generally, they can reach anywhere from 6 inches to 8 feet tall. Where can I buy a Sansevieria Jaboa? Sansevieria Jaboa might not be as readily available as other snake plant varieties. However, you can find them at online plant retailers or specialty nurseries. Final thoughts. The Sansevieria Jaboa is a fantastic choice for plant enthusiasts seeking a low-maintenance beauty. With its architectural form, captivating patterns, and air-purifying properties, this unique snake plant is sure to become a cherished addition to your home.